April 20th, 2025. What started as a call about a stolen motorcycle quickly turned into one of the most intense urban pursuits of the year. Patrol units were alerted after a red motorcycle was reported stolen earlier that morning. Within minutes, officers identified the suspect weaving recklessly through crowded streets, determined to outrun the law. From the first turn of the throttle, it was clear this would be no routine stop. Dash and body cameras recorded the rider darting between cars, blasting through intersections, and swerving into narrow alleys to shake the patrol units. Each maneuver brought the chase closer to disaster as bystanders scrambled out of the way and traffic lurched to a halt. Officers knew the risks. A high-speed motorcycle pursuit in a city can lead to carnage within seconds. But abandoning the chase risked allowing a dangerous and potentially armed suspect to escape. Using radio coordination, units created a rolling perimeter, predicting the rider's movements and cutting off escape routes. The footage showed the cat-and-mouse game unfold, with police closing in every time the suspect tried to slip away. The pursuit stretched on for more than 30 minutes, tearing through residential neighborhoods, marketplaces, and main roads. Roadside stalls were knocked over in the chaos, and at least one vendor stand was clipped by the motorcycle. Miraculously, no civilians were injured, but the property damage told the story of how close the city had come to disaster. The chase reached its climax when the rider abandoned the motorcycle in a narrow alley and tried to flee on foot. Cameras captured the sprint through tight passageways, officers vaulting obstacles in pursuit. It ended abruptly when the suspect was tackled and pinned to the ground by multiple officers, finally bringing the chase to a close.
Come on,